Have we finally found proof of life on Mars? The latest findings from NASA's Perseverance rover have sparked a wave of excitement and intrigue. The search for extraterrestrial life just got a whole lot more interesting. Since its arrival on Mars in 2021, Perseverance has been exploring the Jezero Crater, a region believed to have once been a lake, and it's here that the rover has made some intriguing discoveries. On September 10th, researchers presented a study detailing the rover's findings on the western edge of the crater, specifically in a valley called Neretva Vallis. The rocks in this area, rich in clay and mudstone, contain minerals typically associated with organic matter on Earth. But here's where it gets controversial. While these minerals could be markers of ancient life, known as biosignatures, further analysis is needed to confirm their origin. The authors of the study emphasize that these minerals could also be the result of inorganic processes. Either way, the findings indicate that complex reactions occurred on Mars, adding another layer to the planet's mysterious past. One particular rock formation, known as the Bright Angel Formation, has caught the attention of researchers. Within this formation is a rock named Cheyava Falls, which made headlines due to its peculiar features resembling poppy seeds and leopard spots. These spots, upon examination, were found to contain iron and phosphate, substances that on Earth are often associated with microbial activity. These spots are a big surprise, said David Flannery, an astrobiologist on the Perseverance team. On Earth, such features often indicate the presence of microbes in the subsurface. To delve deeper, Perseverance was tasked with examining Cheyava Falls and other Bright Angel specimens more closely. On July 21, 2024, the rover drilled into Cheyava Falls and collected a sample, named Sapphire Canyon, which has since become a focus of interest. The Sapphire Canyon sample is mysterious, Morgan Cable, a research scientist for Perseverance, described. We see chemical signatures suggesting potential organic involvement, but the question remains, could this be a result of life or some other inorganic process? The new study provides a detailed analysis of the Bright Angel Formation, offering evidence that this outcrop could indeed be a solid lead in the search for extraterrestrial life. The researchers identified tiny nodules and specks enriched in iron phosphate and iron sulfide, which are associated with organic carbon and appear to have formed under low-temperature conditions after sediment deposition. The key to understanding these minerals lies in redox reactions, where electrons are transferred between substances, resulting in one being oxidized and the other reduced. The study authors suggest that organic carbon may have participated in such redox reactions, leading to the formation of the observed iron phosphate and iron sulfide minerals. The discovery of reduced iron phosphates and sulfides associated with organic compounds is exciting, write Janice Bishop of the SETI Institute and Mario Parente of the University of Massachusetts Amherst, in a News and Views article accompanying the study. On Earth, microorganisms are known to convert sulfates to sulfides in cold, oxygen-free Antarctic lakes. While there's no evidence of microbes on Mars today, ancient Mars might have seen similar processes. Other findings presented in the team's paper further strengthen the case for a possible biosignature in Mars's Bright Angel Formation. For instance, the green tone specks in muddy clay found in the outcrop could contain the mineral vivianite, which the News and Views authors say can provide insights into specific redox reactions on Mars. However, there's a major hurdle to confirming whether Perseverance's samples contain evidence of Martian life. The samples need to be returned to Earth. NASA's Mars Sample Return Program, which aims to bring these samples back, is currently in limbo due to budget constraints, priority shifts, and a complex mission blueprint. Scientists stress the limitations of analyzing tiny rock samples from across the vast expanse of space. As the study authors write, The return of samples from Mars, including the Sapphire Canyon sample from the Bright Angel Formation, would provide the best opportunity to understand the processes that gave rise to these unique features. And this is the part most people miss: the potential for prebiotic and biological chemistry to occur on other worlds beyond Earth. The study's authors suggest that laboratory analyses of return samples could shed light on these possibilities. What do you think? Could these findings be the first step towards confirming life on Mars? Or are there other explanations for these intriguing minerals? Let us know in the comments.